Every year, more than 1 million individuals around the world will be diagnosed with cancer of the colon or large bowel. In the UK, 1 in 4 of these patients will not survive longer than a single year. You see, the key is to detect the cancer at an early stage, but sadly, most get diagnosed at a late stage. Why is this? Well, to detect and remove the cancer, we need direct access to the colon. Currently, this is done by colonoscopy. Many of you would have heard of this. In fact, by the time I finish this talk, about 80 people around the world would have had one. But for something so frequently used, it has a bit of a bad reputation. You see, the doctor has to move what looks like a 1.5 meter long hose pipe with a camera at the end around the entire colon by pushing on one end. This is very difficult and requires a lot of skill. Not only this, but the device bends and stretches the colon, which can make it very uncomfortable, often painful for the patient. It's no wonder many want to avoid having one until the last minute. So my question is, can robotics help? What if we could get rid of the hose pipe entirely and replace it with a small mobile robot to drive around the colon? It sounds a bit like science fiction, but it's closer to becoming a reality than you might think. Rollerball is designed to do exactly this. The ball-shaped wheels adapt to the size and shape of the colon and are used to propel it forwards and backwards. This is the main focus and challenge of my research, to get Rollerball to move safely and effectively in what is a very unfriendly environment for the colon. But if we're successful, what impact could this have? Well, to begin with, Rollerball could be made very small, about the size of a pack of chewing gum. This means it only needs tiny forces to move through the colon. This could make the procedure completely pain-free for the patient. In addition to this, Rollerball will do a lot of the hard work, so the doctor can focus on more important things like diagnosing and removing the cancer. In fact, we could make it even easier. We could add sensors and tools all around the device to automatically do this for the doctor. We have already built a prototype of Rollerball, and initial tests in the lab have been really promising. There's still a lot to be done, but who knows? Perhaps a few years from now, a device like Rollerball could be a routine procedure, diagnosing and removing cancer at the very earliest stage. Thank you.